So we're back. We're making CARLI just awesome, right? We've moved from Plasma to XFCE to Cinnamon. And the last video, well, not the last, very last, but one of the last videos, you saw me that there was an error inside Calamares. So the CARLI project got the latest 3.3 Calamares, but you also need the latest configuration that I've shown you in video. What did I change in the meantime and why is it now working? Those are the changes I've put on CARLI 12. Actually, we can have a look. So Ctrl-Alt-F. You can always keep track of things by looking at here at the repositories of ArcoLinux ISO or any other person on GitHub. This was changed, that was changed, this was changed, and that was changed. And all the rest is, well, just maintenance here, and that's old, right? So these are the things I've changed. And actually wonder, I think we need to push something more to the internet. So I've got this 3 thing, and we'll do update. And everything now automatically gets pushed because I do believe we need a CARLI package build push. So you see also the latest package build that I've changed. So if something changes, voila, they're updated now. So the last change I did was this now in the video, and we have added these lines. So there's a new Viper theme in. CARLI Viper theme is present. I've also added Firefox. So CARLI Grub is out, the PolyDark is out. In order to have the Viper, we copy paste things from the user share grub themes Viper back to the boot grub themes. Make a directory there. So that's just a small fix, so to speak, because Arch ISO deletes everything that's inside the boot. No. We want our theme to be there, right? Next to boot, grub, themes, next to the others. That's the most recent change. Now I can stay here, right? But I can also go here and have a open folder, open with Git ahead, and look at it this way, which is easier because click, 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 click. I've edited a few of these files. None of them are used, right? None of them are used. But I just made the Cinnamon the same as ours, and all the rest, the changes, small changes, maintenance. This does not solve Calamares, right? That's important that you know that. This does not solve Calamares. The issue that you see in the video, the last VirtualBox tryout. What's changed as well? That's the CARLI Calamares config. I've compared, best thing to do, melt right. I compared why does it work on ArcoLinux and why doesn't it work here. This is a file that's new, locale.conf. This is the region America, New York. So if the geo IP does not work, the system, the map, right, is set to America, New York. And if it does work, then it's going to be Brussels in my case. So that's new. The same here, the welcome conf. We've also added code here to figure out what country is this Calamares running. And the display manager we've added, SZDM, Cinnamon, Session, Cinnamon, executable, desktop file, Cinnamon, and so on. And the mount proc. So some of these things are probably not necessary, right? But when comparing with something, you go for the best, right? You go for changes like this, a generic, now it's called CARLI, and we have bootloader.conf as well there. So comparing notes, one with the other, I was changing all kinds of things, and this was already 9.3. So this is of today. That's the changes we did today, and that's why it now works. All right. So that's the video for, let's see, it's finished now, the push. So the package build, what's there? Yeah, we should check out the package build like this maybe. Package build in here with Git ahead. So there is the played around with the package build for Calamares, I think. 9.3. Here I did some changes. Package build. What did I change? No, we can't see it here. We should actually go here and compare again. So took a look at our ArcoLinux way of doing things. We've added KD bus add-ons, some references to Manjaro, how they build things. You can have a look there. Because it's not set in stone, right? You can build any way you see fit. Some extra lines that I've added here because of the comparison. Et voilà, avant la musique, we have a new Calamares, also a new configuration. So the Calamares config, the changes that we've done there. And with that all, if you download now everything, if you take a look at it, it's well, a complete setup, and we can build the ISO. All right. See you in a virtual box test.